So since this morning, we got over an inch of snow. I'd say pretty close to 2 inches. And it's also bitter cold out. Not sure what that was. And I guess this is it for a video. So see you guys in the next one.